Yeah, so like Judah's hair is very soft, like mine. So all I've done is I've just put through some warm water, and then I've brushed it through, so I've got rid of all of the knots. Put in just a smidgen of the argan oil, which you can get at any chemist, warehouse, or hair salon and stuff. And yeah, like I said, all I've done is just use my hand like a comb. Now his hair today, if you can see, turn your head this way, sweetheart. It's kind of dropping down, so obviously it wants to go down today. We'll try. So we'll just do a little.
On the bit there.
Yeah, only a little bit. That's right.
I want the thing.
Yep. His hair's really easy to do.
Mama, I want this thing.
Yeah. Okay. So there we go. It's kind of just down.
I want to put that up there. I want to put that over.
There we go. All of his hair's done.
I don't want them pee.
Okay, now we're just going to grab the next one, which is one of the older two, who has really full-on woolly hair. Okay, just one moment. Come on, Zan. Come and sit down, please. Okay, now as you can see straight away, you can see the difference in the texture. His hair is very thick. His part seems to run, I think it seems to run like in a kind of like a sideways part like this. At the back, can you please turn your head around? Turn your head that way. So at the back it's long, but it gets really knotty quite easily. So we just make sure we stay on top of that. So if you see me looking around, like I have mentioned, I have 4 children. I was 5, younger 16 months. So I'm just making sure they're not getting up to mischief. They're all pretty much sitting down. That's okay, just leave it there, please.
I'm going to come here.
Okay, so we're going to look at the camera. Mama's going to do your hair. Okay, we're going to show you the lovely people how to do your hair. How we do it anyway. So Mr. Okay, Mr. Towley.
Mommy.
It's okay. It's okay. He's not going to do anything with it. Look at the camera. Big smiles. Yay! Okay, so with him, it's a bit of a mission. So we're just using the water. You like the water, don't you? You don't like it too wet, do you? With his hair, we have to kind of wet it a bit more.
Yeah. That too.
So he's really into that.
Nine.
Thank you. Thank you, Zakai. Thank you. So he's really into Batman, so yeah. Yeah, we have to kind of do a lot in his hair just because of the fact that it is so thick. Zakai, go watch cartoons. Where's Peppa Pig? Okay. Oh no, it's not Peppa Pig. It's Paw Patrol.
No.
Okay, this side.
Wet.
Yeah, it has to be wet, doesn't it? You know the
Nina's cooking.
Dinner's cooking, that's right.
The eye.
Okay.
Mommy.
Yes.
I'm
glad you like it. Okay, so as you can see the droplets hanging off it anyway. Usually what we do is just grab it up like this. I'm sorry. Just to make sure it's all wet, all through. It's not like dripping because once you've done this, it kind of absorbs it.
Hey.
Hey.
Why do you put it up?
I'm not putting it up, it's just what I always do, son. Make sure all the little bits are done. Okay. Now the fun begins. So with him, we need a lot more. Probably like this. This much. So we'll mix it through like this.
Yeah. No. Then put a knife.
Yeah. Now all I'm doing is I'm just grabbing, say like I'm just grabbing like a little bit at a time. I'm using my hands and I'm just pulling it through. See, so it doesn't hurt him. Because if you do it with a brush, it will hurt. Isn't that right, Zane? The brush hurts you, doesn't it? Stop, please. It's like you've got to have eyes in the back of your head. I don't usually do YouTube videos, but because I'm doing a fashion design course, it requires me to put up YouTube videos and stuff, so I'm just practicing. And I thought, you know what, our situation's pretty unique. Like, I'm in Australia, my partner's so-called American, or he was born in America, I should say. We have 4 children. They're all really, like, close together in age as well. Look down, please. So it's kind of like, sorry, it's one of those situations where it's not completely common. Judah, can you please go watch your Paw Patrol? Thank you.
No, that one. No, she.
Okay, well, whatever that is. Sorry.
No.
Okay.
No, only that one.
Judah, go see Egbert,
Did you
please.
see? What? Only that one.
Yeah.
What, mommy?
So that's where I was like, okay, well, I'm going to practice by doing a few of these. Literally all I'm doing is just, I still have it on my hand, like I don't know if you can see the shine still on the hand. So all I'm doing is just literally running through and getting the knots out with like a pinching motion. So it's just like that, see there's a knot there and you just pull it apart. Zakai, come here. So you just literally like pull it apart. Egbert! Drew! You just pull it through like that. Get Zakai, please. We also have our own business, our own cleaning business. That's where the husband is at the moment. He does that. Fashion design, I'll be making some garments. I'm actually currently going to be making some tunics for our tour night people. There's a couple of them, like Judah and Nazra. I think there was a family in there that wanted it done as well. And yeah, so I'm actually going to be doing that. I'll be starting on that hopefully today. And I'll be doing like a demonstration and just kind of making one for one of the children first. I think it was Judah that wanted one done first. He's picked out his own material and everything, so yeah. So pretty much all I do is just follow the hairline. Can you please turn your head? Follow the hairline, and he likes it back, so I'm doing it back for now. Now in summertime, I don't usually puff it up too much just because it is warm and it seems to be a bit like of an insulator, I think. It insulates the hair quite a bit. The back part's really quite tricky because his hair is long. Because his hair is long, it's rather tricky. So are you happy with that, son? Do you want like that? Happy? Huh?
Bunny's on now.
That's what I said. Are you happy with your hair? You want it up or do you want it more puffy?
Dumb.
You like it big to the sky?
No, dumb.
What I'll do is I'll try and get him back later on. But you can see the difference. I'll try and get him back. I'll try and get him back later on. And puff his hair up. Okay? Alright, can you please go open this banana and give it to your brother? Thank you. Egbert, come and sit down, please.
Beware. Beware.
Yeah, that's alright. Okay, so this is little Egbert. He's our eldest. Put your Mr. Towel on. Nice and warm? Okay. And sit back a little bit. Okay. So his hair is like a nice brunette colour. It's thick, but it's not thick. So it's like, you know, it's short, but it's not really thick, is it, Egbert? quite nice actually. They all have really nice hair. Love playing in it. Okay, here comes the water. Ah! Just a little bit, okay? Like I said, it's a bit cold. So I won't do too much. Put your head back for me. Oh, sorry. Squat your face. Good boy, you wipe your face. Okay. Out you go, please. Thank you. Out. Out. Okay. So he doesn't really need too much wash. Okay, stop. There you go. Okay, so pretty much the same deal. Again, no, don't touch. Same thing again, so we're just looking at, might need a little bit more water. Egbert, please stop. Keep still. Thank you. Okay, sitting back. That's a good boy. Same thing again. With him, see how it's kind of moist but not moist? It's just damp, you know. Okay. The same thing, just about that much. Push it through. Egbert, sit back please. Sit back. He's actually being tested for autism at the moment, so sometimes we have to be a little bit more. With him, we kind of have to be a bit more clearer. Yeah, head back, Egbert, that's right. So, you know, we need to make sure that he actually understands and stuff. A bit more clearer with the instructions, I should say. Very good. The same thing again, just the motions like this. Egbert, sit back please. Good boy. He likes his hair down, so it's kind of like the same as Judas. Zakai, Ta. Baby's running off on my phone. Thank you. Thank you. Don't touch. Okay, so same motion again. If it gets stuck like here, it's not going to hurt him or anything. Just separate it. They always get a couple of knots after playing outside and it's windy. So I'll do this before he goes to school in the morning, obviously. And after bed, bath time. So it does take a little bit of time, as you can imagine. That's why this is the time where they get to watch the one show of their choice. So if it's raining and stuff, I take advantage of it and quickly chuck on a movie. A kid-friendly movie, like I think they like Cars 3 and stuff. Egbert likes Spider-Man, don't you? Sit back. Good boy. Okay, I usually just hold his head, little tiny finger tap there, just hold it for a little bit, just so he keeps still, because I don't want to poke him in the eye. He likes it like this. Face for. What's the grumpy face for? Okay, sit back. Have you got some? So that's that. Now, also with their hair, we use like just like a baby pick, just a little one, you know. If we want to pick it up type thing, if we want it to be more puffy. It doesn't usually work with the baby's hair and stuff that much. But this usually teases it up. So you get the puff going. Usually I'll do this like once it's dry though. So I'll start back at the beginning of the line again. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Uh-oh. Okay.
Yeah.
So it's just like this. This is why I hold it, just so if it pulls or anything, it doesn't hurt him. It doesn't usually pull. It's, as you can see, it's just an upward motion, really. Isn't that right, Eddie? It's such a good boy. Yeah, just a little upward motion like this. You'll still get a couple of knots, like their hair's really curly, so it's gonna happen no matter what. The majority of them out at the moment. He seems a bit impatient today, so he doesn't really want to stick around. But see how it doesn't really puff that much just because it's damp. I should have gone back to summer probably. But usually like their hair can puff up like real big. It's getting there. He likes his little puffs as well. Because he likes to look like Daddy. Daddy sometimes puffs his hair.
No.
No. Okay.
Ow.
What? Ow, I haven't touched you yet. Because it shows him. And it's kind of like the deeper you go with the comb, the more you're going to hurt them. So just keep it shallow and simple, like small sweeps, don't dive right in. Okay, we're nearly done, little man. You've been so good. Hey? You want to go watch Peppa Pig? Yeah, okay. Almost done. Been so good, little man. Who's your favourite character? Do you like George Pig, Peppa Pig, Grandpa Pig, Daddy Pig, Mummy Pig? Which one do you like? Dora. That's not. Oh, you mean Mickey Mouse? Sound fellow?
Mickey Mouse.
You like Mickey Mouse, do you?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, there we go. There's another little handsome little boy here. Can you say goodbye? Say bye. Good boy. Be very good. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, so that's pretty much all of their hair done. This little one wants to come on the camera again. That's all done. Like I said earlier, you know, his hair is really easy to do. It's just literally water and a little tiny bit of the oil. And you just brush it through and it sticks through there. But yeah, all I can say is do what works best for you. That's what works best for us. We used to do it with conditioner and leave-in conditioner, but it just left the hair too greasy. This one here gives it like that natural oil, because their hair kind of gets a bit more dry than mine. We also get the same brand of the skin lotion, which works really well. We use it every night. Yeah, and yeah, so that's pretty much it. We've also, we've done box braids and stuff like that before, but, you know, I'll show you some pictures up or something later on. But yeah, thanks for watching. Maybe chime in and see what the next little adventure will be in this crazy household of ours. The videos I'll be doing is pretty much just our daily routines. As a stay-at-home mum with 4 boys under 5, owning the business, and also studying for fashion design and creating. You have a lovely day or evening. Thank you.